What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And today, it's going to be a ridiculously special unboxing. You're probably thinking, Carlo, you're not holding anything. What are you unboxing? We're actually unboxing where I am sitting in right now. This is our new YouTube studio. It is over 150 square meters of blank space. I actually haven't filled it out yet, and I just wanted to share this moment with you guys as I walk around the space, take a look at the blank spaces that I have, and just share with you probably my plans and my vision and my dreams for this particular space that I've rented out just for YouTube. At the very latter part of the vlog, I'm actually going to unbox one sneaker that I recently just picked up and a few more items that I was able to get for the studio. Are you excited? I am. Let's go. If you guys enter the studio, this is what you are greeted with. It is a custom-made air up-tempo sofa made out of leather and amazing cushioning made by Petros PH. I will put the link down below to their Instagram account. They do amazing custom work for furniture as well as interior design. Guys, you really have to check their IG out. So as you can see, it has the Air logo here. For the pillows, you have some sort of like pillowy suede material here at the top to give it more texture. And what I love about this is that they put like that contrast between the leather material and this pillow over here at the top, which makes air just pop. You also have like the air bubbles that supposedly go with the actual sneaker that they were able to reproduce with some sort of like pillow there at the bottom. You also have the swoosh logo here along the handle. So it's a really comfy sofa every time we have visitors over here at the studio. Now this is what the main area looks like. This is where I was sitting earlier when I was doing my intro, and this is the next item that I wanted to share with you guys. This is the ultimate gaming vlogging chair. This is the Raid Max or Dragon gaming chair, and man oh man, does it look kick-ass. A few things you need to know about this chair. It actually has an LED strip all over it. So if you hook it up with a power bank, it actually glows. It also has amazing cushioning for your back, for your butt, and the handles also here work really well. And you can recline it in multiple angles and you'll be super comfortable with this chair. It also has like a lumbar pillow, I think that's what you call it, for your lower back. So you can put that over here and then the pillow over there, making it a ridiculously comfortable gaming chair. The Raid Max Dragon gaming chair. Boom! Also have this table that I was able to get from our home. This is our official unboxing table, so watch out for more content about this one. Now I actually have a few items that I want to unbox for the studio that you guys see over here. We have a sneaker, we have a box that was sent over by Sean, a fellow sneaker YouTuber here in the Philippines. We have a few items that I picked up from Commonwealth as well as Off-White. That will wait until the end of the vlog. I'll show you around first the studio area. Now, apart from the main area, which you guys just saw, we actually have a 3-bedroom unit over here. So if you pop this open, it is still a blank room. I actually haven't put anything in here yet, but this will most likely be another like set or another space where we can do like podcasts or we can do streaming or an editing bay. I have no idea what I'll do here. It's actually still very empty. There's no AC unit yet. There's a space here at the back which connects to the other room over here, which is the second bedroom that we have. Well, that was the other door that I showed you earlier. This is what the second room looks like, which I showed you guys from the window over there. Opens up over here. This one will probably use as some sort of like stock room. And lastly, we have one more big space over here, which is another like bedroom. This one, I'm thinking we can make it into like a resting quarters for people who want to stay over or who want to chill. This is that space. So let's get started with the unboxing. This wouldn't be a proper debut or christening of our studio if we don't have a sneaker unboxing. And here we have actually a second-hand pair of Air Force Ones that I've always wanted to add to my collection, and I finally found someone who was selling it at a good price. Shout out to Migs for hooking me up with this pair. This is the Air Force One High PSNY, and as you guys can see, it comes in this white Air Force One box, very similar actually to the box that they used with the Air Force One Virgil Abloh Blue MCA. So let's take a look at this pair. So as the name mentions, it is a high cut type of Air Force One, but man, take a look at that. It is just friggin' amazing. For a black Air Force One to look this kick-ass with that flare that you get here with the collar, which the same asymmetrical like design here for the laces, and you have that exposed stitching along the lateral and the medial side. And I love how the swoosh just hangs out from the sides as well of the sneaker. So again, this is the PSNY. Actually, it says there on the tongue tab, Air Force One in black. So it's a really kick-ass pair to be able to finally add to my growing, ever so growing Air Force One collection. Now this item is pretty special. This is a book that I've been wanting to have ever since I saw it online. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Virgil Abloh, his work, and all of his work actually, ranging from his collaborations with Nike all the way to his current work right now with Louis Vuitton. And finally, we have here the Virgil Abloh artwork, in quotation marks, book. So it's actually called Virgil Abloh Figures of Speech 1980 to 2019 MCA. So I think this was released the same time the blue Air Force One MCA was released over at the Chicago Museum of Contemporary Art over at Chicago. So this book was released locally at Off-White Manila, and I'm just really thrilled and happy to be able to add this, well, as a coffee table item here at the studio. So I'm also excited to actually read because there's a lot of history here for Virgil and his work. Speaking of magazines, I have a lot. So we have the brochure here of Louis Vuitton for the new collection. We have a neighborhood Japan collection here as well that I was able to pick up from Commonwealth. It actually came for free when I bought this neighborhood towel that I got from them a few weeks back. So again, all of these books, this towel goes here at the studio. But not the least, we have a package from Sean Santa Maria. So he is a fellow sneaker YouTuber here in the Philippines, and he was kind enough to bless us with whatever this is that he mentioned to me was for the studio. So let's rip this open and do a classic Hulk unboxing. I'm really curious as to what this is. Probably some sort of like decorative piece, considering that he did mention it was for our studio here. So by the way, if you want to see another collab with Sean, let me know in the comment section down below. Wow, that is nice. Take a look at that. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely for a studio. So it's like one of those clappers that you see in movies. It does have light bulbs, so it does glow. So I will be setting this up over here at the studio. Sean, thank you. I appreciate the friendship. I appreciate you, man. Let's do a video soon. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed our quick empty studio tour. Obviously, once we start shooting here, there will be more equipment. There will be more lights, more cameras, more audio gear, and we will be getting all of those very soon. So yeah, join me in this continuing YouTube journey of mine, where I try to take it to the next level as much as I can, including setting up the studio. Shout out to my team over at Unbox PH, Jamie, Leia, John, Dewey, Dan. I'm excited for you guys to move in also into the space and use it for all of the content that we do over at Unbox. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to Unbox yet, they are our tech channel. So make sure that you're subscribed. I will put the link down below. And lastly, we constantly do giveaways on this channel. We have 6 ongoing ones. The draw for the latest one is on the 18th. So make sure that you guys are part of the draw so you have a chance of winning. We're giving away smartphones, we're giving away limited edition sneakers, and a bunch of other cool items to boot. So yeah, that's it for me. That's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.